Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and in today's video we're gonna highlight some black owned makeup brands, honey. So if this is your first time watching me or my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also make sure you go ahead and click the little notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you can always be notified of all of my future videos, because you never want to miss a single upload. You also want to make sure you're following me on Instagram at Yvette Loves Beauty, and also subscribe to my family vlog channel right here on YouTube at Bradley Party of 6. So you guys, I just wanted to come and give you this intro really quick. Like I said, we're going to use all black owned makeup brands, and I thought this was an important video to do right now just in light of everything going on in the world. I'm not going to get too far into it. I haven't talked about this on YouTube. I know a lot of us have talked on Instagram about the different issues that are going on right now, but I just thought it was a good idea to do a video like this right now and highlight some amazing black owned brands. I used the products that I already had in my collection, and I think I have a good mix of different brands here. There are so many more brands than what I am about to actually show you, but again, these are the ones that I had in my collection, so I thought it would be fun to just pull them out and let's talk about them a little bit. Now, with everything going on, I try to keep my channel as positive of a space as possible. If you want to see negativity and ugliness, you can flip through your Facebook page or your Instagram or turn on the news or whatever the case. But I try to keep my channel as positive as possible, and I know some issues just cannot be ignored. So that's the reason I'm doing this video. That is my contribution to the cause, okay? This world is full of ugliness and hatred and all of that. And like I said, I know I've spoken to a lot of you guys on Instagram in regards to everything happening right now. And if you don't know what's happening, not sure what rock you're living under, but definitely educate yourselves and get involved, see how you can help. But this is one of the many ways that I plan to contribute. This is my own way from my creative space to educate people on some of the amazing brands out there that may not get the attention as the bigger brands because they are owned by people of color. You guys know I just had a baby, so I like to keep things as positive as possible around here. So if we do have any conversations in the comment section, just make sure they are all of a positive nature. And speaking of that baby, he's starting to get loud, so this video is going to be a voiceover. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's just get right into it. So this first brand really needs no introduction. This is the eyebrow pencil by Fenty Beauty. I'll also have all of these products linked below too if you guys want to purchase, but I don't even have to really speak about Fenty Beauty, okay? Although it's one of the bigger mainstream brands, it still needs to be highlighted. It is still owned by a woman of color, and so I absolutely love Fenty Beauty. As you guys know, I pretty much have every single product that they have out for the most part, and I love pretty much all of them. So I did do an entire video on my favorite Fenty Beauty products, so I will link that video in this one as well. But the eyebrow pencil is definitely one of my favorite eyebrow pencils that I have in my collection, and if you guys know me, you know that I have a lot. To sculpt all those brows, I'm just going to use the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer. I have mine in the shade SX11, and I mainly use this just to sculpt out around the brows. But Kevyn Aucoin does have also some amazing makeup products. He's a great makeup artist, and I would encourage you to check his line out as well. So I'm priming my eyes with the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer, and then I'm going to go in with the Uma Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the Carnival palette. I just was feeling a colorful look this day, so I thought this is the one that I would use. Absolutely love this makeup brand. They have the most amazing foundation and concealer, and it comes in so many shades. They also have brow products. They have, like I said, a foundation, a concealer. They have eyeshadows. They have lip products. So many amazing products in this brand. They are sold at Ulta, and I would encourage you to definitely check them out. I've also done full videos with Uma Beauty and love them. So do y'all know your girl usually don't do colorful looks all like this, but I don't know, something in me this day was like, go for it, girl. And I am so in love with how this look turned out. Like I said, normally just not a colorful girl. The yellows, the pinks, all of that I used in this makeup tutorial, like, I was like, okay, go off, NAACP. But I hope you guys like the look. And if you do try to recreate it, definitely like tag me on Instagram or in your posts. I'd love to see some of the looks that you guys do. You guys tell me all the time that you recreate my looks, but I want you guys to tag me, so seriously, so I can see it. So let's move into the face. I, of course, love my Fenty Beauty. So this is the Fenty Beauty Matte Face Primer, and this is one of my favorite primers ever. I've talked to you guys about this primer a million times. However, we're going to get into a new brand. This is my first time trying this brand. This is Range Beauty. I actually discovered this brand just, I think, scrolling on Instagram, and I saw it. And I was like, let me try it. So I ordered some products from Range Beauty, and let me tell you, my face was snatched with this foundation, okay? And when I had this foundation on in person, the color that I picked just looked just a tad bit light. So I put on a little bit of the Uma Beauty foundation just to kind of even out the color. But my face was so snatched. So snatched. Just look at how beautiful it's blending out. I feel like I had a freaking filter on my face. Like, the foundation blended out so well, and I'm gonna try it on its own. You know, the more I look at it, the more I think, I don't know, maybe I was tripping a little bit, maybe it was the lighting, because it doesn't look, it looks like a good color, but then in person it didn't. So I think I'm gonna try it again by itself. But I mean, my skin looked so good with this foundation. I was so pleasantly surprised. I don't know why I was surprised. I just was. And I'm definitely going to be ordering more products from them. Not only did the foundation look good upon application, but it looked amazing throughout the day. I wore this look throughout the entire day, and I got stopped, I kid you not, a couple of times with people asking what I had on my face. So moving along, we're going to keep going with concealer. Pat McGrath concealer. Y'all already know I have a full review on this product because I absolutely love it. Hello. So y'all already know about the Pat McGrath concealer. We don't even have to go into that. Now, this product I haven't used in a while. Maybe a few months ago, I ventured into demonstrators. I got this brand off of Beautylish, and so I was just looking at it. I heard some people talk about it, so I went ahead and got the foundation as well as the setting powder. Now, the foundation wasn't my exact shade, so I haven't really been able to categorize how I enjoy the foundation. However, the setting powder, super fine, and it looks amazing underneath the eyes. She also has other products as well. demonstrators is a makeup artist, a bomb makeup artist, and I would definitely go ahead and check her out. Then I'm just setting my entire face using the Pat McGrath setting powder, and again, y'all already know how I feel about Mama Pat, okay? Another newer product that I found, and I've already talked to you guys about this as well, this is the Lip Bar Bronzer and Blush Duo. You can find Lip Bar at Target, but not all of their products are sold at Target. So I did order this off of Amazon, and I should have gotten the lighter bronzer because it's a really deep bronzer, but very beautiful. Blends out very well, as you guys will see here, and the blush is just equally as beautiful. I've been using this bronzer and blush combo for like a lot of my makeup looks. I just kind of started venturing back into makeup maybe about 3 weeks ago after I had my baby, but I've been using this probably the most as far as the new bronzers that I've gotten. Another great black-owned brand, of course, is Juvia's Place. I think the thing that stands out to me the most about Juvia's Place is the African symbolism on the packaging. So everything is inspired by like African names or places, and the packaging is just so beautiful. I think that's why I love Juvia's Place the most. Last but not least, we're going to round out the look with Fenty Beauty. I'm going to use their mascara as well as the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in Sweet Mouth. And that's going to be the end of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I encouraged you to try some of these brands or other black-owned brands. If there's any black-owned brands that you think I should try, definitely leave them down below in the comment section. I'd love to know what you guys are using and what you want to see. I love you, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.